guys, what is up? So today's video is a tutorial on this look, and I'm using products only from this new subscription box called the Glow Addict. It is $80 worth of product for only $18.99 a month. So I am showing you guys what came in this month's box, as well as how I used everything that was in this box on my face today to achieve this look. So if you guys want to see what is in it and how I did this look, keep on watching. Okay, so I already have my foundation, my concealer, my contour, and setting powder on my face and my brows, of course. That way I could just use the products that are in the box already and I don't have to do anything additional in this tutorial slash review. For my eyeshadow primer, I did use concealer, just the regular concealer that I put under my eyes, and then I put translucent powder on it so that way it would set and it wouldn't crease my shadow. So to go right in, the box looks like this. You guys, it is so cute. It has like glitter all over it, and it says the Glow Addict Beauty Box, and it matches my background, which I think is really cute. This box is $18.99 and you get over $80 worth of product. I did take out the products out of packaging already, like this. That way I didn't have to do it on camera and waste time. So when you open it, the box has a whole bunch of stuff in it already, so I'm going to just show you guys really quick. So the first thing, it comes with the Sunset Boulevard Ruby May Cosmetics palette. It has a mirror in it, which I am obsessed with because I like palettes that have mirrors. And then the colors are so pretty. I personally really love pink shades for my eyes, and there are some bronzy colors in here too that I really like for like my transitions and stuff. oohlalashbox mink lashes, you guys. This is a style goals. Freaking beautiful these lashes are. Baby lips from Maybelline. This is the Lancôme blush. If I can open it with my nails. It also came with two Lancôme glosses. It came with the Ruby May Cosmetics Liquid Glow Drops. This is the shade Glimmer 5. The shade is super, super pretty. It's like a light baby pink, which like goes perfect with all of the colors that are already in the box. It came with this Maybelline Full and Soft mascara, and then a Ruby May 224 blending brush. I'm going to go straight into my eyes first, since normally that is what I do even before for my foundation. I'm going to be going into this shade Sunset. It is more of the orange rusty color, and this is the center of the palette. And then I'm going to go straight into my crease, and then I'm just going to go into windshield wiper motions. Tongue twister. Next, I'm going to be going into the shade Rock, which is the darker shade. It looks like this. I'm going to kind of touch the outer and kind of dab it, and then just keep adding and adding until I reach my desired shade. So I'm just going to dip my finger into Dolls, and then I'm going to grab the product, and then I'm going to pat onto my lid. And then I'm just going to blend whatever is out extra that I don't want. So now I'm going to be taking the mascara Full and Soft by Maybelline. I've never tried this mascara, so I'm excited. Oh, I like the wand. So now I'm going to take the Ooh La Lashes, the mink ones in Style Goals. They are so freaking beautiful. I'm super excited. I do not need to cut these lashes because these lashes do have a shorter band. Oh, these lashes are so freaking beautiful. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but they're so fluffy. And I'm going to put the lashes in the center of my eye. This band is shorter than a normal lash, and my eyes are pretty big, so it works if I put it in the center. So I'm going to put the baby lips on to my lips because a girl is addicted to chapstick, and before I do anything for my lips, I have to put a ton of something. Wow, this is soft. Ooh! Okay, so I don't know if this changed the color of my lip or not, but I like the way that this looks. I'm going to put on some blush first. It's a super, super pretty color. I'm going to take my Ruby May Cosmetics contour blush brush. I'm going to dab it on the apples of my cheekbones and then kind of blend it up. And then I'm going to kind of drag it to my nose. It feels so great. Wow. This color is super, super pretty. And I normally don't like blushes. I'm going to apply a little bit above my lip, right here on my chin, and then blend that out. Oh, so pretty. Yo, this lip gloss is literally everything. I'm going to grab a little bit and kind of dab it here onto my cheekbones. Is that the word? And then blend. It's everything. Oh. You do not have to set this at all. It practically sets for you. Or if you want to be bad and bushy, you can take the light shade in this palette and then dip it, tap it, and then kind of coat wherever you already put your highlight. That way it is fully set and you know she's extra blinding. So now that the highlight is done, I'm going to do the final thing that is in the box, which is the two little lippies. Oh. This one is more liquidy and more of a tint. The other one is a tiny bit more creamier. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I am so obsessed with everything that I used and what came in this box. Like, bro. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, as well as go and subscribe to the Glow Addict Beauty Box on Instagram and become one of their subscribers. Like, dude, all of this stuff for $18.99, I'm like blown away. I don't know about you guys, but like I'm ready to go and slay the rest of my day today. I am going to also be putting all my information down below so that way you guys can follow my social media and send me streaks and do fun things, you know? If you guys want to see any more videos like this, comment down below and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.